Hi YouTube family, welcome to Concept in Medicine. In this tutorial we are going to be looking at the New York Heart Association classification of heart failures versus the American Heart Association classification of heart failures. Interesting, right? Kindly subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's move on. So with regards to the American Heart Association classification of heart failures versus the New York Heart Association classification of heart failures. The New York Heart Association classification is a functional classification, and the American Heart Association classification is a structural classification. Now let's look at what they seem to indicate. If we take the New York Heart Association classification of heart failures, class 1, heart disease is present, but there is no undue dyspnea from ordinary activities. Another way we can put that is that there is no limitation of physical activity. Class 2, comfortable address, there is dyspnea from ordinary activity. Another way we can put that is there is slight limitation of physical activity. Class 3, less than ordinary activity causes dyspnea, which is limiting. Another way we can put that is there is marked limitation of physical activity. And then class 4, dyspnea at rest, all activity causes discomfort. So that's for the New York Heart Association classification of heart failures. Let's move on to the American Heart Association classification of heart failure, which is a structural classification. So for stage 1, for the American Heart Association classification of heart failures, high risk of heart failure, no structural heart disease, no symptoms of heart failure. Stage 2, structural heart disease present, but there are no symptoms of heart failure. Stage 3, structural heart disease present, and there are symptoms of heart failure. And finally, stage 4, severe heart failure, which requires immediate specialized intervention. And we are looking at what? A mechanical ventilation around the clock. I hope we've made a very good understanding of this comparison of classification of heart failure. If you do, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and also don't forget to tell me in the commentary section the concept you would like to see in my next video. My name is Dr. Del, and this is Concept in Medicine. Bye-bye.